Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. Inshallah, in this video we are gonna talk about the letter positions. If you wanna know, let's start.
ألا بذكر الله تطمئن القلوب.
Okay, so this lesson maybe it will be long, but inshallah it will be easy to you. You should only focus with specific letters because they have different shape between each position. So Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, this is Alif at the beginning. Yeah, it will have the small straight line when it comes at the middle and also when it comes at the end. Okay, this is Ba, okay, and complete Ba. It will have a small line, straight line. And this is also the shape of Ba. It will have a small straight line at the end and the complete a Ba. Okay, let's move to Ta. Ta at the beginning and complete Ta. When it comes at the middle, yes, you will have a straight line and you will try to draw very small Ta. And this is other shape with Ta. We call it a circle Ta. When you have a straight line and circle Ta. This is the first letter that you should focus on its positions, especially when it comes at the end. Okay, Tha, it's like that. Tha when it comes at the beginning. When it comes at the middle, it's like that. But Tha when it comes at the end, it has one shape only. Yeah, this is Jim. Straight line and incomplete Jim. Okay, when it comes at the end, it will be straight line and complete Jim. Okay, Ha, it's like Jim also. Yeah, and complete Ha. Straight line and complete Ha when it comes in the middle. Straight line and complete Ha. Kha also, yeah, we have the same. Okay, this is Dal. Dal at the beginning. Dal at the middle has the small straight line and Dal, and also when it comes at the end. Dal also, it's like Dal. Yeah, okay, let's move to Ra. Ra at the beginning. Yeah, when it comes at the middle, we have very small straight line. Okay, at the middle we have very small straight line and complete Ra. We have the same also at the end. Zay, it's like Ra. Okay, Sin, we have incomplete Sin when it comes at the beginning. We have small straight line and incomplete Sin. We have a straight line and complete Sin. I think that you have noticed here that some letters when they come at the end, it will have very small straight line and the complete letter. Okay, Sheen, it's like Seen. Okay, Sad, okay, and complete Sad. Straight, okay, at the middle, it's preceded by very small straight line and also followed by very small straight line. Okay, at the end, very small straight line and the complete Sad. Dad, it's the same. This is Ta, okay, at the beginning. Ordinary, very small straight line at the middle, also at the end, inshallah. Okay, Dha, it's like Ta. Okay, let's move to Ain. Ain, when it comes at the beginning, you will have the head of Ain only. You will have at the middle, you will have two lines, and Ain when it comes at the middle, also you will have a straight line and this dot. When it comes at the end, as we have learned, we have a straight line and complete Ain. Ghain, it is the same. Okay, this is Fa. Yes, ordinary Fa at the beginning. At the middle, you will draw a straight line and circle has dot. At the end, you will draw small straight line and complete Fa. Qaf also the same, yeah. Okay, Kaf when it comes at the beginning, have the shape. Yes, and also when it comes at the middle, and when it comes at the end, So it will be ordinary kaf. When it comes at the end, you will draw ordinary kaf, have the very small straight line. Okay, lam. Okay, it's lam without this slash. Okay, this lam. When it comes at the beginning, straight line has alif. When it comes at the end, you will have very small straight line and has complete lam. This is meme at the beginning. Comes at the middle, you will have meme preceded by very small straight line, and when it comes at the end, it will preceded by very small straight line, and you will have a complete meme. Okay, this is noon, noon, and complete noon, and very small straight line, and complete noon, very small straight line, and complete noon. This is wow at the beginning, it's ordinary. At the middle, preceded by very small straight line, and also at the end. Okay, this is ha, and you should focus with ha. Ha at the beginning, it's like that, and ha when it comes at the middle, it has two shapes, this shape and the other, and when it comes at the end, you will have very small straight line and circle. This is hamza. Yes, you should also focus with, when it comes at the beginning, you will have alif, has hamza, and also we have two shapes. When it comes with fathah, it will be above. When it comes with kasrah, it will be at the bottom. When it comes to the middle, we have three shapes. As we have learned that hamza, when it comes above any letter of those, it will be, these letters will be a chair for hamza. When it comes at the middle, it's like alif. When it comes at the middle, if you pack, you will find it like that. And wow, it's ordinary. And this is when it comes on ya, and inshallah we will go to ya after we finish hamza now. And when it comes at the end, yeah, it's like alif when it comes at the end, and maybe it comes separately, and when it comes with ya at the end. Okay, this is ya at the beginning and complete ya. It's like ba, but we have two dots in the bottom. And when it comes at the middle, it's like ba, but also it has two dots at the bottom. And this is the shape when it comes at the end. You'll have very small straight line and the complete ya. So we have notes here that hamza has different shapes, but it is always pronounced in the same way. Okay, I think that's all I can see, inshallah, in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Salam.